Greetings, Stewart families, and happy Friday. Here are some weekly updates for Friday, October the 2nd, 2020. We had a fantastic gray week, and we're gearing up for another great scarlet week coming up. Our students did a fantastic job of working hard and completing tasks and also remaining safe. As a reminder, next week our gray students will be home. Our scarlet students will be in school. Don't forget those at-home packets must be completed and returned, and those count toward students' attendance during their at-home weeks. Our virtual book fair is underway. We have shared the link in the newsletter as well as in Class Dojo. That is underway for another week, so please make sure you participate. Books can be delivered directly to your home, and a portion of the proceeds do benefit the Stewart Elementary PTSO and in turn benefit our school library. Just a reminder, there are a few days off coming up for students. This coming Friday, October 9th, will be our Teacher Data Day, so no students will be at school. And then Monday, October 12th, will be our fall break day. We will resume with our gray group on Tuesday, the 13th of October. Picture days are coming up as well. October the 15th will be our gray group as well as our remote students from 3 to 4. And then October 20th will be picture day for our scarlet group. This has been your Stewart Elementary Weekly Update for Friday, October the 2nd, 2020. We thank you for your continued partnership and support. Have a fantastic weekend and go Vikes.